This
consider me
conference
as
will
a
now be
fresher,
recorded.
right? So
Hmm.
uh, how will be my opportunities? Means I
We are
don't
from you are from which state, by the way?
which state?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
You are
Pune,
from which rice?
Maharashtra, Pune.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. So regarding your question, I would like to answer that offline. Okay, you
Okay,
are your husband together. You can sit when you can have a call with me.
okay,
As you have 8 years experience, how
okay,
to deal that we will discuss in the offline. Okay.
okay, okay. That will be fine.
Mm.
Okay,
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 because this is a big forum. We cannot
okay,
discuss.
okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. No
Yeah.
problem. Okay, thank
Yes.
you.
Yeah. Okay. What about others team? Any queries do you have? Yeah. So I would like to hear from you guys who are freshers or who are trying to put some experience. I would like to hear the voices at least. Yes, I am like that. Because in my training, there are some people who had a gap of their year, 2 years, they would have worked for 6 years due to maternity leave. People will take some break and they will be joining for refreshment. They will join our mainframe training. So in my training we have mixed participants. Okay, it is not only freshers. Okay, there are some experienced people also will be there. So that is the reason I am asking. Okay, so is anyone is there as a fresher? As a fresher, like fresher in the sense you completed your BTech in 2023-24, you are searching for the job on mainframe. Such scenario. So guys, it is a please do respond. Okay, please do respond. Unmute yourself. Keep talking, so that I
Hello.
will get more energy. Yeah,
Hello, can you hear me?
yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm Karishma. Uh, I just completed my master's in US. I'm
Uh,
already having an experience of 3.5 years in India. I worked at Infosys in the same mainframe developer only. Now I just want to brush up those concepts because I had a gap of 2 years. I'm
hmm.
already going through your videos, but I just want to have the hands-on and all everything so that I have a good experience. I can deal with the interviews. That's the only reason I'm attending your sessions. So, my question is like, can I go with this technology? Everyone is telling it's old technology and all, but I do not want to take another technology as I'm already having an experience on this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the question now?
No, I'm telling like everyone is telling it's old technology and we are not going to have life in this and all. Now I can choose other technologies as well, but I do not want to, as I already know the mainframe very well. Can you suggest me on this?
Yeah, it's since you are in US, United States, right? It is a good choice, in fact. Okay,
Okay.
people are running behind, niche technologies.
Mm-hmm.
Hence, there is a huge competition. Whoever completed their MS and all, they are running behind, cloud, artificial intelligence, Python, data science, Salesforce, and all. Okay, people are not going, with the mainframes technologies. So
Yeah.
because of that, I got to know from the people who are in the US and working
Okay.
on mainframe. So there are some openings on mainframe. Okay,
Okay.
there are so many openings on mainframe, but only one concern in the mainframe over there. Your job
Mm-hmm.
will be there, no doubt about it. Like in India, there is a huge competition, but in United States, you don't have that much competition because the colleges not I mean, they removed mainframe code they mainframe technology as part they removed from their curriculum. Hence,
Mm.
there is a very less chance for the, there are very less chances finding the new people who are working on mainframe, right?
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
I recommend, okay, if you are not thinking about budget or dollars,
Mm-hmm.
if you are not looking, not fully money minded, yeah, so yeah, you can work, you can get easily job in mainframe at any time, because in US needs mainframe people.
Okay. Thank you, Venkat. And
You are
your
aware.
videos are helping a lot.
Yeah, I no need to tell. Okay, and I guess you are in US, you might be knowing
Yeah.
whatever
Yeah.
you know. You would have
But
heard all of
here,
them.
but hearing from experienced people motivates a lot, right? That's why I'm just asking this question.
That's okay. Okay, has already sticked, right? So even
Yeah.
recently, one guy who completed MS, right? He
Mm-hmm.
also, he told to me that there are openings on mainframe, but consultants are not, promoting mainframe because their margin is very less, right? So if they
Mm-hmm.
choose like artificial intelligence, data science and all,
Okay.
so for that they will consultancies will get huge margin, right?
Yeah.
So because of that, consultants are not recommending mainframe. Okay, but
Got
that guy, took a videos and he started working on.
Yeah, starting with knowing thing is good according to me. That's why I'm also not going into any other technology.
Yeah, yeah, fine. Yeah,
Yeah,
guys,
thank you,
you
Venkat.
know, I don't think that I'm talking about US, guys. It is just knowledge I'm trying to give. Okay, otherwise I would have not, spoken about all of them. The reason to know, you should know, because you are trying to enter into the IT, or you are in IT, right? Either cases, right? So you should know the things what's happening in the market. Okay, learning course doesn't work, right? So you have to know how things going on in market, particularly related to mainframe. Yeah. So any other queries? Okay. So your silence will be considered as a no, no queries. Let me continue let me start our demo team. So what I will be doing team first, I will be telling you the flow of the training, how it goes, who can attend the training and everything. So team, as I said, okay, earlier, we are going to start the training from basics. Okay, so we are going to start our training from basics. Even if you don't know mainframe, you are good to attend the training. So we are starting with the TSY SPF. This is the first module in mainframe technology. Once we complete the TSY SPF module, we will start with another module called JCL. So I'm talking about what it will be covered in this particular training, in this particular batch. JCL, then VSAM. So most of them may not be knowing all of them, but still I would like to list out so that later point you can refer this class notes. So DB2 and kicks. Okay, so these are all the modules we are going to discuss as part of this course. So we don't cover, okay, either REXX or IMS DB or any other than above list. Okay, IMS DB or assembler, we don't cover these modules because these are all advanced courses. Okay, when you are comfortable on all of them, then you can start learning REXX. So we don't include REXX IMS DB assembler as part of this particular technology. So our training, as I said, team, our training starting date is today itself. Okay, so today is just day one. I can say 15th February is the day one. So when is the next session? From tomorrow only. So next session is tomorrow only. Okay, so as we started, the training would be Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, so I'll take timings from Monday to Friday. Sometimes I will take even Saturday, Sunday also. Okay, I will take Saturday, Sunday also. The reason why I might take Saturday, Sunday team, as you know, this training program for 3 months. Okay, the training program is for 3 months, which means that if I start from now, from today, so March, April, May. May 15th or 20th. Till May 15th or 20th, this training will be there, as we are going to cover only 1 hour per day. Okay, every day we are going to spend 1 hour per day. Okay, hence it is going to take 3 months to complete. So coming back to the day, days, right? So in this 3 months journey team, okay, I might take a leave, okay, from this particular training. In the sense, I'm not telling that, intentional I will take, okay, but as a, as you are family person or experienced person, sometimes if you may not, if you are not well, or if any function is there, so we have to take a leave. Okay, because of my leaves, your training should not affect. That is my intention. Okay, if I take in the, let's say in the next 1 month, I taken 2 days leave, that impact should not happen in the entire duration. So to compensate that, I will conduct on Saturday, Sunday. Okay, to compensate on my leaves, I will conduct trainings on Saturday, Sunday. But I will inform you well in advance that, guys, we will be having Saturday, Sunday training. Like that, I will inform you in the training 2 days before or 1 day before, so that you can plan accordingly. Okay. The reason why I am here last around 10 years, right? I'm doing trainings for public last 6 years. Okay. If you see my YouTube channel, the when it was created, and if you see my videos around 6 years back, right? So why I'm getting the participants and all, because whatever I say that I will stick on it. Okay, so after starting the training, then take a 10 days leave for something else. If some health emergency happens, health related, nobody can stop. I cannot stop you. You cannot stop me, right? Because that we cannot control it. Apart from that, some things we cannot take a leave, and that should not affect on the your training duration. So because when the duration increases, you are going to lose your interest. Okay, so that happen, that is a human tendency, right? If I attend also training, 3 months means obviously it is very difficult to control, I mean, to manage same momentum. Today, how much you are showing interest, will you show the same interest at third month last day? No, there is a very, we have a less possibility, right? So there also, if I'm extending uh, training 1 more month and all, you also lose the interest. Okay, so I'll try to take all the days theme except Saturday, Sundays, as I said, to compensate. Or if I have a projection that I might take a 2 days leave in future, I know that particular dates, hence I will take a Saturday, Sunday. So altogether, I might take Saturday, Sunday, but not on every weekend. Okay, that I would like to clarify. So once when you are attending this training team, you will get the soft copy material from my end. You will get the soft copy material. The documents which I have already, I will share with you. Okay, where theory points, theory, syntaxes, definitions, you can find them, and you will get the class notes. Okay, so when you are attending my training, you no need to note anything. Notebook or paper or pen, no need to use it. Notepad, you no need to write anything. Just connect your headset, log in from laptop, that's all. Okay, so I will, whatever I am telling, whatever I am teaching, listen, try to remember them, right? Something here and there, if you require to note it, you can record it. So you can note it. When you are noting, you might miss something while I'm explaining. So that is a point I want to tell. So why I am saying don't note it anything team, because I will write in the notepad. I will show you one folder. Okay, if you see this one, before this batch, okay, like you saw, right? This is February 13th day. Okay, day before yesterday, so I completed one REXX training. This is the one. So I will share all notes, all the class notes you can see here. So I use it to share the class notes. Whatever I am teaching in the class, that I will be writing in the notepad. You see that I have written something. Okay, so now I will share it. Now I am for you also I am writing something. This document will be shared with you so that you can refer after training, and you will get the mainframe server access to do the hands-on. Okay, you will get the mainframe server access to do the hands-on. So you don't get exclusive one ID team. You don't get. I cannot give because it's a 3 months. If I start giving one ID for one person, I have to pay from my pocket to the server almost 6,000 for 3 months for one candidate. Hence, either I have to increase the course fees or I have to do something else, right? So what I am doing, team, I will give a sharing basis ID, which means that every day minimum I am giving a commitment you can use for 3 hours. I know that nobody will use even three hours also. Okay, so minimum you can use three. I mean, as a commitment I am giving, you can use ID for 3 hours. Okay, as per your timings, no problem. Is this month or this time and all. Okay, so the 5 to 6 people or 3 to 5 people will be allocated to one ID. So one ID will be allocated to 3 to 5 people so that you guys can utilize the mainframe server. Okay, whoever is free, whenever you are free, you can log in. For that, I'll create a one WhatsApp group. Whenever you do login, you can ping that so that the others will not log in. Okay, so you will get the mainframe server access till you complete the training. Then how I can do hands-on and all team? No need to worry. Just if you have laptop with the latest means it's not recently latest one. If you have the OS Windows operating system, and if you have the laptop, so I will guide you tomorrow how to install the software, how to connect to the server. So you can do from your home itself. You no need to come to anywhere. You no need to go anywhere. Only one thing, internet should be there. Okay, you should have the internet. It can be mobile data also is fine. Mobile data or Wi-Fi also fine to do the practical part. Okay, so this is about the duration and flow of the modules. I'll pause for 1 minute. Do you have any queries so far?
Hello, sir.
Others?
This is Jayashree.
Yeah, go ahead.
Actually, tomorrow evening I'm traveling at 9:30. I have a train to catch. So if I just watch the process, what I have to download and install, so whether I'll be able to do it later on after class or when I reach home.
Yeah, yeah. So I want to clarify one thing, team. Okay, I don't. Most of them came to me through some reference. You would have got some information from them. So it is if you are not able to attend the training, let's say Jayasree informed me well in advance, what she can do. So tomorrow sometime she can drop an email to me. Hey Venkat, I am not able to attend this day two training. Okay, can you please share the video? But I don't no need to mention reason also. I don't want reason. Okay, that is our personal stuff. Okay, so if you are not well, you are busy, you're going somewhere, it's up to you. You have to drop an email. Like that, maximum you can be absent 10 to 15 days. Okay. So if you are absent for more than 15 days out of 3 months, then what you will learn, it will not make any sense logically, right? So maximum 15 days you can be absent. You can request for the videos. Let's say Jaisri is not going to attend tomorrow. Okay. Now how many chances she has to miss 14 days? Which means that every month 3 5 days she can take a off. Okay, she can request for the videos. Okay, Venkat, very good. But what about rest of the days? You're taking 15 days, right? 2.5 days, what you're going to deal. So we don't give the recorded videos every day. The point I want to clarify, you don't expect every day video. But but so there is a first module, right? There is a first module called TSYSPF. So if I teach once, it is not enough for you to remember and to do the answer. What I do, what I did it, I uploaded all these topics videos in my YouTube channel. I will give those videos link. I will teach it. I will teach them. Then you can go through the videos. You can do the hands-on, because without watching the video again, you cannot do hands-on TSYSP if you are new to mainframe. So those type of things are considered. Example, if you are learning JCL, I will teach how to write a JCL, how to how to run it all, but how to fix it. These are all. If you listen once, it may not be enough, right? Okay, you have to see. You should have some reference. So I will give one or two videos on how to write a JCL and all, so that these are the beginnings. If the beginning are not confident or strong, then you are going to, that learning is going to affect. Similarly, okay, there are, if you if you have this PDF document, well and good. If you don't have PDF document, you are supposed to get it from me, because this is the proof for you what I'm going to cover. Okay, yeah, I hope I answered your question with additional details also.
Yes, thank you, Venkat.
Yeah. So only one request from my end to everyone team: be active in the training. Okay. Everyone here to learn. Okay. Don't think about others. Okay. They might be expert. If I ask this question, they what they think about me. Don't forget about them. They also paying course fees. They also learned here. They also came here to learn. Right. If they are expert, they are super persons in mainframe. They don't come here, right? Okay, so because when you keep asking the questions, I will get more interested to show different combinations of the examples. Otherwise, whatever I committed in this PDF, I'll explain them practically. Next, okay, team. So there might be a questions. It will be there in your mind that, Venkat, will you cover PDF or document and all? So, team, this is a practical oriented training. I will start after 1 or 2 days. Initial 2 days, I have to introduce what, like today, I cannot do practical, right? Because I have to introduce about the trainings, guidelines, and everything. Tomorrow, I will teach what is mainframe, who can use mainframe, how it is useful for you, who can learn, who are using mainframe technology still. All I will be explaining tomorrow. Okay. So then after, which means that once we are done with the theory tomorrow, from Monday we will start practical part. Okay. Once I start practical on Monday, till you complete the training, I will be 90% of the time on server. So I will log in, then I will show demos. Okay. Is it clear? Right. So you don't need to worry about it. The next one. Okay. So there might be a question about your, once you learn this technology from me, from my end, where you are going to land. That is a big question, right? So trust me, team. If you follow these steps, okay, you will get a job. Out of 5, 10 interviews, you will be able to crack 5 interviews easily. That I can tell you confidently. But there are few things you have to do. Attend the session regularly. Do the practical every day, daily basis. Which means that Monday I am teaching practical. Don't wait for some Muhurtam best date to start the hands-on and all. Monday Venkat is explained. Next day you finish it, learn something new. Okay, so attending the regular sessions, doing the hands-on what Venkat is teaching, and whatever Venkat is teaching on that day, what others are talking. Others are talking means go to Google, search for that, learn more, right? That is how we will learn. As an experienced person, when I started my journey, I also know only bit, but how I learnt all of them, Why I am in a position to teach to you, able to teach you? Because I learned from experience, either through Google, from colleagues, from practical. So now for you everything is there in Google, right? Go to Google, get it, and try to attempt in our server to practice it. Second, in between I will be giving the assignments. Do the assignments. Okay. Third one, attending sessions, doing hands-on practically, exploring new things in Google, and do assignments whichever I am going to give. Then the last and last and important one is the in my YouTube channel, more than 20 hours videos are there on interview questions. You prepare all of them. You will get the job. Job perspective, you will get it. Even if you are having 6 years experience, our content is enough to you to get the job. How it is possible, Venkat? That's why I said out of 10, I did not say 10 you will get. It is, it's not a right statement also. Out of 10, 5 entries, because every person will not ask same question, right? So one day it comes to us also. Okay, whatever we know, from that only one person will ask. So out of 10, one you are going to hit it easily. Out of 10, you are going to hit easily one. Okay. Any queries so far? Without doing hands-on, okay, I will attend the training, I will listen every day's class, I should get the job, means it doesn't work. No need to join also. Not only here, team, not only here, anywhere. If you don't do hands-on, you pay 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, or 10 rupees or 1000. If you don't do if you don't do hands-on, then you don't get the job easily. That I can tell you confidently. Even if you get a job by reading interview questions in Google or YouTube channels like my channel, you will get a job. But if you want to survive, if you want to be confident in the project, if you want to talk to your managers confidently, there also you need hands-on, right? If you learn now, it is going to help you in interviews, it is going to help you in the project also. So this is all about answer for interview point of view. Any other queries? Now, the next question, tip. Okay. Next question you can ask me like, okay, so what are the topics you are going to cover? How it is going to how it is going to help me, right? So I would like to answer a few things, the few statements here, team. If you are a new to mainframe technology, you did not have any programming experience, you are good to join. You are in mainframe support till now, you want to try job in development, you can attend this one. This training is going to help you. Okay, if you are in mainframe operations like monitoring and scheduling, if you want to move into the development, yes, you can try that also. Okay, you can learn this, but you can attend this training. Okay, for all these peoples, okay, you guys can attend this particular training. Next, let me go through the topics what I am going to cover, team. I know some of them may not be knowing, but you will get an idea. Okay, so this is the first module, team. TSO-ISPF. Okay, TSO-ISPF is the first module. We will start with the mainframes. What is a mainframe technology? Who are using? Example, most of the top banks, Bank of America, Citibank, insurance companies, retail companies like Tesco or Walmart. Okay, telecom companies, Verizon. Okay, like that, there are so many domains. Banking clients are using mainframe, insurance companies are using mainframe, telecom companies. Like I don't say Airtel is using, I'm not sure. Like we have a Airtel, Geo, right? Similarly, there are some telecom companies in US, UK, right? Europe. So those companies will use mainframe technology. Retail. Here we have a big bazaar or Reliance, Mart, Spencer's. Depends on you're from which city, right? So there in India, I mean US, we have something called Walmart. Okay, they are using mainframe technology in their entire business. Similarly, we have in Europe how Walmart is popular in US. Tesco is a popular retail company in Europe and UK. So they are also using mainframe technology. Like that, okay, there are so many other airlines companies also uses mainframes. So these are all the clients I can say. Okay, the clients we are getting from all this one. So there are all things I'll explain bit more. Okay, in introduction to mainframe topic. So once you are done that, so this is just knowledge about mainframe or you about mainframe and all. Now you will get actual mainframe terminology. You will get mainframe terminology from second topic, like what is subsystem, emulator and all. Okay, so all these topics we are going to cover. So if you go to my YouTube channel team, okay, I will go to my YouTube channel. You no need to what I request you, if you are new to mainframe technology, in 2023, if you are not using AI for your creating your PowerPoints, then you are wasting. If you are new to mainframe technology, you are good to start learning from today itself. Okay, you go to TSYSPF playlist. This is the one set I have. Okay, if you go to this playlist, there is another playlist also. There are two playlists are there. This one, okay. So you can go through this all this conference will now be recorded. By this weekend, you try to complete if you are free, so that it will be easy for you on when because practical. Hi everyone, welcome to Introduction to Mainframe and TSO ISPF course. In this course, we are going to discuss about now mainframe. Yeah. Okay, team. So it is in a sequence order. The videos are in a proper sequence order. You don't need to struggle which is the sequence and all, because all videos I kept here. The first video is a 47 minutes. Second video is, so sorry, this is the first video 47. The third one is second one is again 47. Third video 55. Right. So every video has more than 50 minutes duration video. Okay, you guys can learn, you can start learning either one of the link playlist, both having the same. One is in the live batch videos, the other one I created for Udemy. Okay, so I request you to start learning this one. Maybe you might attend, you may not attend, but if you are attending irrespective of the place, either you might attend my training somewhere else, right? That time at least you need all of them again. I request you to watch it because it's there for public. So, but we will cover again in our training team. Once we are done with the TSO SPF, then we will start again JCL. So, which is going to take 15 hours. In 15 hours, what I do, team, I will be giving videos on DFSAT ICE tool. Okay, I'll explain all of them. Utilities, sort utility ICE tool. So we have some advanced concepts are there on sort and ICE tool utility. I will give the videos. Okay, the videos which I'm going to give, if you combine all of them, it will take more than 15 hours. Okay, so we are going to cover all of them, and I have some recorded videos on JCL interview questions. These are all not there in YouTube channel. I will give one or two are there. I will give them once you complete the JCL training. Next, VSAM. We are going to cover what is VSAM, different types of VSAM data sets. Okay, practically what is ID camps, different types of commands. Once you are done with the VSAM, Then COBOL start. This is a very lengthy topic, lengthy course module, because it will take 1 month. If you exclude holidays, Saturday, Sundays, 20 days is equivalent to one weekend, right? So I will teach all the topics from the basics even in COBOL also, but I will give recorded video for string, unstring, and inspect. The last one is alternative index. I mentioned for which topic I will give the recorded video. If I did not mention recorded video, if I did not mention, which means that Venkat is myself going to conduct the training on these rest topics. Then I have a 2 to 3 hours videos are there in on COBOL, which are not available in our YouTube channel. I will give it to my participants. Then after, then we have a DB2. So DB2 also we have a recorded video for select command. And if you are new to mainframe technology and computers, I request you to start learning database also. Okay, so you start learning database, because we don't discuss in detail about database. Okay, learn about database. What is database? What is SQL? Okay, what is command? What are the data types? All of them you start learning by referring YouTube channel videos or so many, because this is the simple course. Okay, is a common course for any IT employee. Hence we have so many videos are there in our YouTube channel, not in my channel but in YouTube channel. You will go through some so many tutorial websites also there. You can go through them and start learning it. Okay, don't wait till I start the DB2. Okay, so that is one prerequisite. You should know it. If you don't know database before, you should do it, because we don't discuss that much in detail. Okay, so you will understand basics only, but but if you learn those terminologies before I start, it will be easy for you. It will be helpful for you as well. As then we are going to discuss select, joins, subqueries, and subquery non-correlated all. I will give the videos on them. Rest of the topics I will give. I'll explain you. Okay, I'll explain all of them. Then after kicks we have a TSQ, TDQ, TSQ practical, TDQ theoretical. I will give the video. 16, 17 videos, rest of the 16 topics I'll explain practically on server. Okay team, this is all about the topics which we are going to cover in our 3 months training. Any queries so far? Right. So coming to fees team, I don't tell the number or the amount, but you can pay in 2 installments. One is you have to pay before you join the next session, before you join tomorrow. To get the new meeting details, you have to pay tomorrow. That amount I'll tell you. And after 1 month, you have to pay the second installment. Okay, you have to pay the second installment. The other guidelines, even you are attending my training team, what happens when more than 15 participants are there? One or two participants might drop from the batch due to some health reason, something else. Okay, so if you are not able to attend my training due to any X reason, you should drop an email. You should inform to me that Venkat, I am not able to attend. Either if you are not able to, let's say you someone met an accident, don't drop mail immediately. Take it 2 3 days. WhatsApp me at least. Venkat, I met an accident, so I don't attend this training. Please note it. Later, once you recovered, you drop an email to my mail ID, so that I can have a mail, and I can help you that time. Okay, team, that is the one. Next, somebody paid a course fees today or tomorrow. After 2 days, if they don't like, we will return 100% amount. How much you paid, we will return unconditionally back to you without asking any reason. Okay. So if you pay, no problem. After 3 days, after 4 days, I am giving till JCL. Before I start JCL day 1, you can ask me money if you want. I will return the money unconditionally without asking why you are dropping. So that
Yeah, yeah,
flexibility I'm
Venkat,
giving.
one question I had, just a doubt here. Like as you told, there are some recorded videos which you'll be sharing. So if we have some doubt on them, then how would we able to, like, you will be answering those, right?
So yeah, very good. Okay. So the Venkat is not only for these 3 months, right? I'll
Yeah,
not be only for 3 months. Okay. You are good
yeah,
to ask me. Okay, let's say JCL. I have given the JCL. Now what happens, when you are
mm,
starting COBOL, I will give all recorded videos in between of the COBOL only. Before
mm,
you complete the COBOL, you can watch the videos. If you have any queries, you can ask. Let's say you did not watch. Watch
yeah,
during DB2 training, ask me. Okay.
yes,
But it is a must you should watch the video before you complete the
yes,
training.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
If you don't watch them, then there is no point of giving and getting access to that, right?
Right, right, right. Okay.
So not only this thing, in future also after 3 months, it is not like attended, completed training. Venkat will not be there for us to help. Don't think like that. How much I can help based on my bandwidth, I'll try to help you. So yeah, any other queries? Yeah, go ahead, Prachi.
Yeah, hi Venkat. Actually, I lost my network in between. So you were telling about the fees. Can you please repeat again?
No, I did not say about the fees. Okay, the fees amount I did not say. Okay, I
Okay,
said you can pay in two installments. First installment you have to pay tomorrow. Before you to get the new meeting details for tomorrow. That is a point one. And rest of the amount you have to pay after 1 month.
okay,
What the amount is?
Yeah, so the amount is 12,000 rupees. Okay, nothing to hide over here. 12,000 is the fees. 7,000 you have to pay tomorrow before you to get the tomorrow's meeting details. 5,000 you have to pay after 1 month. Okay, so this includes everything whatever I discussed so far, either training server or material, class material, whatever you call it. Yeah. So I am done from my end team. Okay. If someone,
Venkat,
yeah,
can
if
I?
some, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah. So Venkat, like for example, if we are like for tomorrow, we will start with TSO, right? So
Yeah.
once the class is done, like we attended the class and the class is done, then we will additionally we will get this the recorded video as well for that class.
No, you don't get it. Okay. I said
Okay.
for TSYSPF already I uploaded in the YouTube channel for TSYSPF module. For that, it
Okay.
is there. Now, no need to wait till you complete the training. It is there today also.
Okay.
If you ask me from JCL, we don't give daily basis. Okay,
Okay.
because you have to attend. So you have to, because when I start giving the recorded videos, people are dropping from the batch. At the end,
Yeah.
because Venkat is giving the videos, we will watch it. I started with the 20. At the end of the training, two people will be there. I will also lose interest, right? Hey, why?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because
Exactly.
when 20 people are there, I will get more energy too. For speaker, when there is a crowd, then we will get more interest. So that is the reason, that is one of the reason where I stopped giving the videos. And I am highlighting the day
Okay.
one itself.
Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But
Thank you
I
so much.
know, but I know in file handling, if you talk about COBOL, there is a file handling. If you talk about DB2 pre-compilation, there are very very important topic which is entry point of view, and logically you have to listen to understand. Those topics by default I will give you. So
Okay.
indirectly, you guys are going to get the recorded videos without my any request. 20 to 30% of the videos you'll get it to me. But I don't give commitment, because if I give commitment, you will demand me. But
Sure. Sure.
if I say no, and if I give it, you will feel happy, right? So that is a process which I follow.
Cool. Right. Makes sense.
Yeah, others go ahead. Someone raised their hands. Good to ask.
Uh, yeah, hi, this is Urmila. I
Yeah,
just wanted to know once the class is over while we are practicing, if we have any doubts, how we can connect with you. Do we need to
madam.
mail you or?
Why, madam? For you, your husband is there already. Still, you need to ask.
No, 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 nothing like that.
Okay,
Yeah,
just yeah. What happens? Yeah, okay. I'll create a WhatsApp group. Okay,
okay,
the guys who are going to use mainframe ID, right? For those 5 people or 6 people, I'll create a WhatsApp group. You can post in that WhatsApp group. If it is a thing is, I can respond. I'll try to respond as soon possible,
okay,
immediately. Or in that anyhow you're going to join the next immediately, right? You can
okay,
ask me in the session, either starting or ending. I will solve your doubt, then I'll proceed with the concept.
okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
I want to ask one thing during the lab classes. If any doubt I have faces, how can I will connect you?
I told you now, WhatsApp is there now. WhatsApp is there with us, right?
Okay.
Hmm. WhatsApp is there. Even I have one, my friend also is there, who is she is there, she is going to help you. If I am not prompt, she will try to respond immediately. Or among ourselves, okay, since everyone, 5 6 people in the group, somebody be doing very quickly, right? That guy will help you. We need a solution, right? Either Venkat or my friend or your colleague who is joining this batch, doesn't matter, correct? Yeah. Any other queries? Okay, team.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah, Prachi.
Yeah. Actually, Miss, at the end of the session or training, are we going to do any projects? Means small
No.
projects,
Frankly
like
speaking, frankly speaking, we don't do it. But okay, I don't give commitment. But if I feel that you guys are very aggressively doing hands-on, and I will give a project to you, you have to submit it, because very very important that, see, 3 months training I have given. If I give the project by doing my own, then what is your learning? It will not make
mm,
sense at all, right? I will give the
yes,
problem statement like a case study. You do it, you learn it, and submit to me. That is called learning. Not by giving, if I will give, I'll explain. That learning will not be there, okay? Already 3 months we have done that.
yeah, yeah, yes. But you will be
Okay.
helping.
Yeah, I'm telling you now also. Okay, you prove that Prachi is doing hands-on, and you will get a problem statements from my end, case study. I will ask you to, I'll create, I will sit with you, with everyone. Hey guys, this is the requirement. Give me the solution.
Okay.
Bus. So that time you can, okay, you can Google it. How you want to do it? I need a solution. Bus. But Googling is not for entire solution. If you stuck somewhere,
Mm,
not able to get it answer after thinking, after spending time, you have to Google it. If you get everything from Google, then what is your learning? So you have to learn Google only. Okay, how to use Google. You will not learn mainframe technology.
yeah, yeah, right. Okay, got
You
it.
in the sense, everyone. Okay, I'm addressing everyone. The question is yours, but answer for everyone as it is applicable for everyone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Any other queries, team?